Hey guys, in this lecture, I will show you how to share a folder between host and guest operating system. This is particularly handy in scenarios where you have some files on your host operating system and you want to share them with the guest operating system or vice versa. So let's get started. Now I have this folder called test on my desktop, and I have a file inside the test folder also called test, and I want to share this with my virtual machine. So what I need to do is I need to right click on test, click on properties, and from the properties I need to choose the sharing tab and then click on advanced sharing, and then I need to click on share this folder. Once I've done that, I can either change the share name, but I'll keep it as test for now, and I can also put in some comments and I can limit the number of simultaneous users. So this will be the number of simultaneous users that can connect to this shared folder. I will go ahead and change the permissions. For now, I will give everyone full control of this folder. I can also make it read only by removing these checkboxes, and I can check on read, just read, to give them read only access. I can also deny access to particular users from this box, but I'll give them full control for now. I'll click on apply, click on OK, apply, OK again, and then I'll click on close. Now what I've done is I've made this folder shareable. After that, I will go to my Virtualbox. I'll click on my virtual machine settings and then go to shared folder. Once inside shared folder, I can click on the plus icon, and from the folder path I can click on this drop down, click on other, and then I can go to my desktop, click on the folder, and I can select folder, and then I can make it either read only from here as well, but for now I'll choose to auto mount, and I'll click on OK and click on OK again, and I'll click on start to start my virtual machine. Now once your machine boots up, you'll be able to see the folder that you mounted on your desktop, and you can double click on the folder to see its contents. And when you try and double click on it, you'll be asked for your password, so supply your password. So let me authenticate. Now once you authenticate, you'll be able to see the document that you've put inside the folder on your host operating system inside your guest operating system, and from here on I can click on copy, or I can click on copy to and move this to any other folder inside my Linux machine. So for example, I want to move it to the documents folder on my machine. I can just click on documents and I can click on select, and this would then move into the documents folder on my guest machine. So if I click on here and then click on documents, as you can see, I was able to move this inside my documents folder. Now to move any files back into the shared folder, I can just rename this file and move this back, and this should pop up on my host operating system as well. So this is it. This is how you can share a folder and transfer data between guest and the host operating system. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.